Welcome! Today I'll be showing you all sorts of time controlling capabilities that Bixby has on your smartphone. We're going to start with what Bixby can do with the clock. Hi Bixby. What time is it?
It's 2:19 p.m.
What time is it in Korea?
It's 6:19 a.m. on Friday, September 4th in Seoul, South Korea.
What's the time difference between Japan and here?
San Jose, California, USA is 16 hours behind Tokyo, Japan.
What's the time difference between Colorado and New York?
Sure. Colorado, USA is 2 hours behind New York City, New York, USA.
When is Easter?
Easter will fall on Sunday, April 4th.
When is Labor Day?
Labor Day will be on Monday, September 7th.
What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
What's the date today?
Today is Thursday, September 3rd.
What day of the week is Christmas this year?
Christmas Day this year is Friday.
What day of the week is Christmas next year?
Christmas Day next year is Saturday.
What time is it in New York when it's 5 p.m. in Seoul?
It's 3 a.m. in New York City, New York, USA.
What time is it in New York when it's 4 p.m. here?
It's 7 p.m. in New York City, New York, USA.
How many days until Christmas?
There's 113 days left between today and Christmas Day, which is on December 25th, 2020.
What day is 280 days after today?
280 days from today is Thursday.
What date is 280 days after today?
280 days after today is Thursday, June 10th, 2021.
Next, I'll be demonstrating how to manipulate alarms with Bixby. Set an alarm for 6:30 a.m.
Your alarm is now set for tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. It will ring in 16 hours 7 minutes.
Set an alarm for 7:30 a.m. every day.
I've set your alarm for 7:30 a.m. every day.
Set an alarm for today at 6 p.m.
Your alarm is now set for 6 p.m. It will ring in 3 hours 36 minutes.
Show my alarms.
3 alarms were found. Alarm is on for tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Alarm is on for 7:30 a.m. every day. Alarm is on for 6 p.m.
Turn off all my alarms.
I turned off all 3 alarms.
Turn on my alarm for 6 p.m.
Alarm for 6 p.m. turned on.
Change my 6 p.m. alarm to tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Alarm is now set for tomorrow at 8 a.m. It'll ring in 17 hours 35 minutes.
Show my alarms.
I found 3 alarms.
Delete my 8 a.m. alarm.
All set. I deleted your alarm for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Show my alarms for tomorrow.
There are 2 alarms.
And now let's wrap this up with a few timer commands. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Starting your timer for 5 minutes.
Stop the timer.
The timer is now paused.
Resume the timer.
The timer has resumed.
Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Your previous timer's canceled. I'll start the timer for 30 minutes.
Go to my home screen. Show me my timer. So there you go. Hopefully you've learned some new commands that you can do in regards to time and with Bixby. And yeah, that's it.